Hey there, friends. Welcome back to my channel flavorsalt.com. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of desserts because, let's be real, who doesn't love a good, sweet treat? I'm talking about chocolate chip bread pudding. Yep, this classic dessert is about to get a chocolatey makeover. So grab your aprons and let's get started. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You probably have most of this stuff in your kitchen. Alright, let's break this down. First, we're going to chop our bread into bite-sized cubes. Don't stress too much about it looking perfect, you're going to get all cozy with this dessert anyway. Just aim for about 1-inch pieces. Next up, it's time to make our custard. Grab a big mixing bowl. We're going to whisk together sugar, eggs, milk, little bit salt and cinnamon powder. Now whisk all together. This is what's going to make our bread pudding extra creamy and delicious. Perfect. Now, it's time to add our bread cubes to the mix. Mix it. Okay, before we stir everything together, let's add half of our chocolate chips. Gently fold the bread into the custard until it's all coated. Now, let's prep our baking dish. Grease it with a little butter or cooking spray. Time to transfer this yummy goodness. Pour it all in, and make sure to spread everything evenly. And now, sprinkle the remaining chocolate chips on top. Put some cubes of butter on it. Now, it's time for the most challenging part, waiting. Preheat your oven to 350F. Bake this for about 30-35 minutes until it's golden brown and set in the middle. Oh, the smell is going to drive you wild. Look at that golden, gooey perfection. Just wait until you see the inside. I like to serve it warm. Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous. It's soft, it's chocolatey, it's everything you want in a dessert. Seriously, guys, this is pure comfort food. If you enjoyed watching me make this delicious chocolate chip bread pudding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your own bread pudding creations in the comments. I want to see your pics. Until next time, stay sweet and happy baking.